Uniservitate and Universidade Católica Portuguesa invite you to participate in the II Global Symposium Uniservitate, Service Learning, Integral Education, Transformative Spirituality. With the participation of representatives from 26 countries from 5 continents, from more than 30 universities, and worldwide leading specialists. This second edition of the Uniservitate Symposium, aimed at educational authorities, researchers, faculty body, and university students, is a great opportunity to share experiences and reflections with experts, to discuss the contribution of service learning to the identity and mission of all higher education institutions, and to the empowerment of students as responsible agents of change. In response to Pope Francis's plea and in support of the Global Compact on Education, we call on you to contribute with your hands, head, and heart to continue creating novel and meaningful proposals that will help us face social challenges. We look forward to seeing you on 28 and 29 October to join a great global polyhedral community. Free registration on uniservitate.org.